Hello YouTube and welcome into my office for the day. It is so beautiful out here. I just can't even believe it. Anyway, it is that time again. It's time for the B-roll Smackdown. This month we have 12 amazing competitors who submitted B-roll that you are going to get to see and vote on. It's gonna be awesome. So that means there are 4 brackets with 3 competitors each. There should be 4 videos here. You can watch each video and vote at the end. I will give you the details at the end of the video on how you can vote. It's gonna be awesome, guys, so let's get to it. Wow, just awesome. I know. How do you pick just one? It's really tough. Now, some competitors followed the theme of using stuff in the house and indoors a little bit more strictly than others did. And I'm leaving it up to you to decide how to vote based on the theme. You can either take it into consideration or not. It's totally up to you. Either way, here's how you vote. Tap that screen and/or if you are on the computer, click on the video right now. You will see in the upper right-hand corner there will be a little circle with an eye. If you click on that, you will be able to vote for the YouTuber that you think should win this bracket. Now remember, there are 4 brackets with 3 competitors in each bracket, so make sure you go to each one, watch the videos, and vote. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in an hour for the live show.